Can't do but 10 minutes at a time. You can't make a double flare with that, can you?
Yeah, you use a little die.
Okay. That's pretty quick.
Never forget the nut. That sucks.
Yeah. I can see it pretty good.
Oh, can you?
Yeah, it's gonna make a good video.
Yeah, take the bend out of this one a little bit.
So you can get the nut back.
Yep.
Nut's in the way. You got a good camera on that laptop.
Yeah, it works pretty good. Your camera comes in clear.
Tim's is out of focus and it needs cleaning off.
Yeah.
His little camera doesn't have autofocus.
Oh, no?
No, and he's done turned the ring on it. They've been messing with it, moving it around, putting it in the trash can and the toilet and all that, and they done turned the ring on it. It's out of focus. So that's kind of a two-step process.
Yep. Yeah, you got to smush it down with the die. That puts a bubble flare on it, and then you turn that bubble flare inside out. Yeah, that gives it the double flare.
I got you.
So we got another tool that does just bubble flares on the metric brake line.
What is that, a 3/32? I mean, a 3/16?
Yeah, this is 3/16 line here.
Yeah.
But you also do a 4.75 millimeter line on the GMs. So.
How many lines you got to do? That's two.
Just these two.
Okay.
Yeah, you got your old one and then your new one.
Yeah.
And it's the same.
Yeah, they looks pretty good.
Yep. And we put them on and these two run together. So.
I got you.
Yeah. Yeah. These Geo trackers got that wheel cylinder there. It takes two lines on the one side. So. Yeah.
Good deal.
I gotta get it put together now.
All right.
I don't know if you'll be able to see anything back here.
I'm not going to video that part. Won't you say this is Dr. Evo reporting from New York out? That'd be a good way to finish it.
What's that again?
Say, this is Dr. Evo reporting from New York, out.
This is Dr. Evo reporting from New York. Out.